Hello there. Continuing on with the AC clutch removal. I was able to remove this clutch, the cover, and the clutch itself, but I won't be able to take it out because I don't have enough space to take this wheel out without removing the whole thing. So what I decided to do is just remove the whole unit out from the top, and I unscrewed the wiring harness, the refrigerant lines, and now I first did it. It has 4 bolts. They are 12 millimeter. I did the top bolts first, coming from the top, and then the bottom I had to take out this splash cover from underneath and get a wrench like this right here from the bottom for the bottom bolts. Okay, so here's the view from the top. You have to take out the alternator that was here, and there's a bracket that was here. Take out the wiring harness and the refrigerant lines. I put a cap on the refrigerant lines. All right, we'll see if this comes off easily. Let's see here. There you go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, it seems like it's leaking too, so I'm just gonna replace the whole compressor. So I was having a hard time taking it out. This was pointing up, so I flipped it down and was able to take it out. Bye.